Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the BWine F7 drone, a powerful and feature-rich drone designed for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. Let's dive in and explore its amazing capabilities. The BWine F7 drone has completed Remote ID certification and complies with the FAA Declaration of Compliance, giving you peace of mind while flying. Equipped with a 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, this drone delivers exceptional image quality and stability. Capture breathtaking footage with a 120-degree FOV lens and larger COMS sensor. With up to 75 minutes of flight time per trip, thanks to its 3x2600 mAh intelligent batteries. You'll have plenty of time to explore and capture the perfect shot. The BWine 65-watt fast charger and fast charging cable ensure quick and efficient charging, getting you back in the air in no time. Built for performance, the F7 drone features a 2,000-meter altitude capability and 6-level wind resistance test report. Fly confidently in challenging conditions, capturing ultra-clear and stable video and photos. Whether you're flying over mountains or cities, this drone's got you covered. The BWine Smart GPS drone ensures safe flying with features like automatic return, follow me mode, waypoint mode, and orbit fly. Never lose your drone and focus on capturing amazing footage. With its advanced GPS capabilities, you'll enjoy a worry-free flying experience. Share your aerial photography masterpieces with one click via the BWine app, compatible with Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and more. Enhance your photos and videos with 6 filters and 10 background music options. Get creative and showcase your work to the world. And here's the best part. With the BWine F7 drone, you'll be capturing stunning footage and photos like a pro in no time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone enthusiast, this drone is perfect for anyone looking to take their aerial photography to new heights. That's it for today's review of the BWine F7 drone. With its advanced features, long flight time, and stable shooting, this drone is a game changer for anyone passionate about aerial photography. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing the BWine F7 drone, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.